Welcome to day 14 of this journey to greatness that we're on together. I hope you're doing well today. And yesterday we talked about destroying your gremlins. A couple days ago we talked about identifying your limiting beliefs and realizing that we have a lot of mental clutter, don't we? That's in our heads that's holding us back a lot of times, and even when we don't realize it. Today is more on the positive side. But yesterday I talked about if you don't replace your gremlins, if you don't get them out of your life, those limiting beliefs, if you don't get them out of your life and then replace them with good positive beliefs, then those things can come back with a force. And so today we're talking about installing freeing beliefs, installing your freeing beliefs. And what I mean by this is that when you have positive beliefs about yourself, about your capabilities, about your potential, those things are freeing to you because now you can start to have vision and hope in your life. If you have limiting beliefs, and we all do, then those beliefs will hold us back. They're like a lead balloon that just holds us down, and that we really aren't able to go anywhere, especially in the direction that we want to. And so when you install your freeing beliefs, you have to do a couple things. First of all, you have to uninstall lies. See, all those limiting beliefs are actually lies that you've believed over time about who you are and your identity, or maybe about what you can do and your capability. Some of it's about character, some of it's about your just abilities in life, for work and for your relationships. So we had to uninstall the lies that Satan really puts into our minds. Remember in John 10:10, I've referenced before, Jesus said that the thief comes to steal, kill, and destroy, but Jesus said, I've come to give you life to the full, this full, rich, satisfying, abundant life. And so if we are going to experience that full, rich, satisfying, abundant life, then we're going to have to uninstall the lies that Satan puts in our minds. He embeds these thoughts in our heads that hold us back. See, you have so much potential, and the enemy knows that, and the fact that he's afraid of your potential doing more good for this world than you can even imagine. That he tries to hold you back with doubts and fears and lies that you believe about yourself. And so Jesus wants you to live in faith. He wants you to really be free and to live with that freedom each and every day and how you live, work, and play. So you have to uninstall lies, and then you have to install truth. And the truth is that you have this potential. The truth is that you are capable. The truth is that you are worthy. That because of God's love for you, because of God's plan and purpose for your life, you are worthy to live a life of freedom, a life of impact, a life of influence with the people that he puts in your path. So when you uninstall lies and then you install truth, the next thing that you do is upgrade daily. Just like a computer needs regular updates to just keep getting better and better performance, that's what we need to do as well. We need to update our mindset each day. We need to update our belief system each day. We need to continue to grow and believe in who God is and what He wants for us. We need to believe in who we are as His creation and our capabilities. And so uninstall your lies, install truth, and upgrade daily. So think about today. What lies have you believed about yourself or about your situation, your circumstances that you need to uninstall from your mind? What truth about who you are, about God, about what He wants in your life, what do you need to install in your mind? And then think about what are the things that you can do each and every day to upgrade those beliefs and that truth. Because each day we need to kind of keep doing this uninstalling the lies, installing the truth. Because what you'll experience over time is that when you're mindful and you're aware of these things, then you will start to see the lies more clearly, and you'll start to understand the truth that you need to live out in your life. So I want you to really take some time today to think about what is it that you can do to uninstall those lies, to combat those lies. What truth do you need to start believing about yourself and about who God is and who He's made you to be? And then how can you, on a daily basis, develop some habits that will help you upgrade that truth? So we're going to finish up this module, this step tomorrow, and in step 15. But today, take some time to really reflect on this, and I look forward to connecting with you tomorrow. Take care.